Michelle from We Make Space, and today I'm going to clear out my makeup. Now I don't wear much makeup, but I have all this in here and all this here. Basically, it's really all I use. That sometimes mascara, but I don't even know where that is today. It's all a bit of a mess. Oh yeah, here we go. This one, that, and that's about it. Oh, I have another mascara as well. It's basically all I wear. So I'm going to sort it all out. Honestly, I don't even know what's in here because it's years old. Some have eyeshadows. Oh, I've got this nice dust on top. It's foundation, which I've had for a year or so. So I'm going to put what I'm going to keep here. That's like to make me look gold. I mean, I never want to look gold, so I'm not going to have that. As a waterproof mascara, maybe I could have that. Eyeshadow, I don't even remember buying that. I don't wear eyeshadow, but I've got all these ones, which I must have went to like some counter somewhere and they did my eyes. This is, I mean, irrelevant, but Trish McAvoy, I don't even know who Trish McAvoy is. I mean, these are so old. This is old Bobbi Brown stuff. It'll probably damage my eyes if I put it on. So yeah, that can go. It's a mirror, that's cracked. That is not going to work for me anymore. I don't even know what's here. Oh, some blusher. May come in handy. There's another blusher as well. I don't know where the lid is. But underneath there is another thing, which I don't use. I mean, that just has to go as well. 8-hour cream. I don't even know how old that is. Quite horrible. Some eyeshadow. I mean, that on me, can you imagine? I think I got that in New York or something. Lip balm. I don't wear. Oh, I don't know what's in that. Must have put something in it. So that's not lip balm. Oh my god, why am I keeping that? That is going to go. Bronzer. It's glitter everywhere. Maybe next summer, I don't know. More eyeshadow, which I don't wear. Oh, that's like a concealer. That one's quite handy. What else? Right, I never wear lipstick. Absolutely never. Because I feel it doesn't suit me. I have all these lipsticks. Oh, and more. And a small one. You know, they don't work for me. So I'm not going to have lipsticks anymore. Pencils. I quite like them. That's a concealer one. I don't remember where I got that one. A blue one, a green one, and a black one. Yeah, I wear all them. Liner thing. Keep that, but I'll probably never use that either. It's a little smudger. And I have brushes. That one's good for concealer. A shader. I mean, I don't shade, so no point in that. to use them, never have used them. A brow pencil, could keep that. As a brush, maybe I could keep that. Some old grapefruit cologne, which I don't like the smell of eye drops. I love some eye drops. Oh, that's that thing for that brush, to do that and put on, so that is quite a good liner. There's another brush I've never used, I'm not going to use that. The lip liner, I don't use the lipstick, so that can go. Oh my goodness. I mean, there's like Halloween or fancy dress. I don't think I'll use that. A sharpener. Oh, there's the lid for that other thing, which doesn't stay on. Oh, there's another sharpener. Do I need two? No, that one can go. Sharpenings, that can go. This is my makeup. That's how I'm going to make space today. Get rid of all this, and that can then go in here, and I don't even need this dirty old box anymore. This is the bin box. So I hope that was helpful, and yeah, I've got more space, so I'm happy. Thanks everyone for listening. Bye.